how to change Steam username. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your username of Steam. Well, changing your profile name or your username of Steam account is really very easy. Simply first, start up your Steam, and once you open the app, it should look probably like this. And here, go to your profile by tapping on your profile right here and click on View My Profile. Now, once here, click on Set Up Steam Profile. Now here, you can see that my profile name right here. Simply click on it and I can change it to anything that I want. Now once you click here your username, once you type it, simply scroll down all the way below and click on Save. Once you do this, you can see on the top where my username appeared before that my username had changed from Vipin Basnet to Messian. This way you can change your Steam profile name or username. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.